Dear students, today I am going to do the lesson for class 10. The topic is arithmetic progression. You must have observed that in nature, many things follow a certain pattern, such as the petals of a sunflower, the holes of a honeycomb, etc. Now, I am going to discuss some patterns of numbers. Look at the picture, students. What you can understand from these pictures? Yes, some blocks are arranged in different ways. In first picture, we can identify the numbers from 1, 3, 5, 7. So, in between the two numbers, there is a difference is 2. In second picture, we can identify the numbers 3, 6, 9, 12. In between the numbers, difference is 3. Look at the one more pictures. Here the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In between the numbers, the difference is 1. That is a constant numbers. So, the concept is telling us that is arithmetic progression. Look at the definitions of an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding by a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. Let us see the example. In first example, the sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, in between the numbers, the difference is 1. The first term is 1, second term is 2, the third term is 3, and fourth term is 4. The first term is that is a preceding term, and 2 is the succeeding term. In second example, the numbers are 100, 70, 40, 10. The difference between 70 and 100, that is minus 30. 40 and 70 is minus 30. And even 10 and 40, there is also constant difference, that is minus 30. In third example, the sequence is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Minus 3 is the first term, minus 2 is the second term, minus 1 is the third term, and 0 is the fourth term. One more example. All the numbers are 3 here. So, the difference between the two numbers is 0. That is the constant term. Next, general form of an AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. It is represents the general form of an AP. Here, A is the first term and it is denoted by A1. A plus D is the second term and it is also called A2. And the third term is A plus 2D and it is also called A3. And D is the constant term, so it is called common difference. By using the formula A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2, we can find the difference. Next, finite AP or finite arithmetic progression. We'll see the definitions of an finite AP. A finite portion of an arithmetic progression is called a finite AP. Look at the example. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 is the last term in this sequence. 3, 7, 11, 15, 19. 19 is the last term. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, minus 9. So, the minus 9 is the last term. So, from this example, we can understand there is a last term. So, these examples are gives us finite AP. Next concept is infinite AP. See the definitions. An infinite portion of an arithmetic progression is called an infinite AP. Examples are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. In this example, there is no ending. That means there is no last term. 3, 7, 11, 15, 19. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, minus 9. Here also there is no last term. One more example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So these are the example for infinite AP. Let us solve some questions given in your textbook. The question is, write the first term and common difference of an AP. Look at the sequence 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, etc. Now you already understood the concept. So here, first term, that is A, is 3, and we should find D, that is common difference, by using the formula A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. So A2 means a second term is 1 and the first term is 3. So by subtracting from 1 to 3, we will get minus 2. Or A3 minus A2, third term is minus 1 and the fourth term is minus. Second term is also minus 1. So by subtracting, you will get the answer minus 2. So therefore, the common difference is minus 2. One more question. Write the first term and common difference of an AP. Minus 5, minus 1, 3 and 7, etc. A means first term, that is minus 5, and we should find common difference D by subtracting from minus 1 to minus 5. So you will get the answer is 4. Or by using A3 minus A2 formula, so 3 minus of minus 1, you will get answer is 4. So the final answer, common difference is 4. Take down the homework. Write the first term and common difference of an AP. 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9, etc. One more sequence is 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, etc. Next question. Write first 4 terms of an AP. Here, first term is given, that is 10, and the common difference D is 10. So, you already know the general form of an AP, that is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. So, the first term A is 10, and we have to find second term, so that is A plus D. So, A means 10, and common difference is 10. By adding, you will get 20. And the third term is A3 is A plus 2D. By substituting the values in the place A and D, so you will get the answer is 30. And the fourth term A4, the general formula is A plus 3D. So you will get answer 40. These are the 4 terms of an AP. That is 10, 20, 30, 40. Take down the homework. Write first 4 terms of an AP. The first term is 4 and the common difference D is minus 3. Next question, A is minus 2 and common difference is 0. Now you all understood the general form of an AP. Now we'll go to the next concept is nth term of an AP. The nth term of an AP is AN, that is A plus N minus 1 into D. Here first term is A and D is represents common difference and number of terms is denoted by n, and an is the nth term of an AP. Let us do some problems. The question is, find the 10th term of 2, 7, 12, etc. A is 2, D is here 5. By subtracting from 7 to 2, you will get 5. And number of terms is already they have given, that is 10. So we should find A 10 by using the formula an equal a plus n minus 1 into d. By substituting the values in the formula, a10 is equal to 2 plus 10 minus 1 into 5. 2 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into 5. By using Bottom's rule, you will get 2 plus 45. The answer is 47. So that means 10th term is 47. Let us see one more question. Which term of the AP? The sequence is 21, 18, 15 is minus 81. Already they have given in sequence. First term is 21 and we have to find common difference by using the formula a2 minus a1 or a3 minus a2, that is 18 minus 21 or 15 minus 18, you will get minus 3. And the term, nth term is already they have given, that is minus 81. And here we have to find number of the terms. It is denoted by n. By using the same formula, an equal a plus n minus 1 into d. By substituting the values in the equation, minus 81 equal 21 plus n keep as it is, we have to find minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 81 equal 21. By multiplying with minus 3, you will get minus 3n plus 3. By simplifying, minus 81 equal 24 minus 3n. Just shift 24 in the left hand side, that is minus 81 minus 24, you will get 3n. So minus 105 equal 3n. So the value of n is 35. Actually here minus 35, but negative value is negligible. So now I am going to give some work related to this lesson. Find the 30th term of an AP 10, 7, 4, etc. And next question is 3, 8, 13, 18, etc. Which term of the AP is 78? Thank you.